I will have everything linked down in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I love to craft. Today I'm going to show you the top Amazon Prime Day deals for crafters. Hey everyone, and welcome back to another day of Amazon Prime Day deals. As always, I'm going to have the tabs already pulled up. Yesterday I forgot to put a direct link, so this time I promise I will have it down there. For today's Prime Day deal, we are going to be looking at the Cricut Explorer 5, and this is the deluxe bundle. It does come with digital content. This is a precision cutting machine. If you have not tried Cricut before, I highly recommend them. Their machines are pretty solid. I have had mine for several years. I have the Cricut Air Explorer 2, so it is a little bit outdated. However, I'm highly considering buying this Cricut Explorer 5, especially since it's a Prime Day deal. It is currently $229. With this box and everything included, you can make up to 100 products. It does come with the cutting tools, 2 of them actually, and a scoring tool. It also comes with a scraper, reverse tweezers, a weeder, a spatula, scissors, a paper trimmer, a dual-sided marker, transfer tape, printable vinyl, which is super awesome. Most kits actually don't include that, so I'm a little bit shocked about that one. It does come with 15 sheets of cardstock, a insert card set, smart iron-on vinyl, and regular vinyl. It also does come with a light grip mat and a card mat, plus of course that digital content. And here is a close-up here. We have that Cricut machine. We have all of the tools that are needed to go ahead and get your projects started. Let's move on to deal number 2. So this one is actually the Cricut Joy 2. I have not tried the Cricut Joys. My mom has one. If you have a small craft space and just want a portable machine, this is definitely the one to pick up. It is on Prime Day deal for $146. This is a 75 project bundle. It does come with 20 sheets of cardstock, insert card set, the smart iron-on vinyl, smart vinyl, transfer tape, the light grip mat, and the card mat, plus printable vinyl, which is also amazing. And as you can see here, all that you have to do is pull up your design in Cricut Design Space, cut it, weed it out, and then ta-da, you have your project. So it is super easy to use, very user-friendly. The Cricut Joy does come in coral and it also comes in blue, so those are 2 great colors. Let's go ahead and move on to deal number 3. So this one I actually have, my mom gave it to me. It is a final roll holder, and as you can tell here, let's zoom in a little bit, it has a trimmer right there, so you put your roll of vinyl here and then you could trim it right there instead of using scissors and having to, hassle with it. It has that trimmer already attached, and this is what it looks like whenever you slide it up to the machine. So let's say that you're doing those long 24-inch projects or even a 12-inch project. You would definitely need something like this, that way that it makes your project 10 times easier. It is currently on Prime Day deal for $20.09, and it is in the color blue. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 4. So this one is a extension tray for a Cricut Maker 4, a Cricut Maker 3, even a 2, and it's supposed to help with those long cutting mats, but it also helps with the 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat as well, as you can tell in the pictures. So you have that extension tray, that way that your mat is not flopping all around while your project is going. And there is another look there. Alright, let's move on to Prime Day deal number 5. If you are just getting into Cricut making, or if you are looking to stock up on just a couple more colors, this is a 20 count and it is a rainbow sampler pack. This is heat transfer vinyl, also referred to as HTV. Sometimes us crafters do refer to it as HTV or heat transfer vinyl on our channels, so that is just a little handy tip in case you do hear us say that. It is on Prime Day deal for $16.09. This is a 20 pack. They also have a 40 pack, which is pretty much double what you are getting, and it's on Prime Day deal for $32.18. I love all of these colors. You can definitely craft for Christmas, Thanksgiving. You got some browns in there. These 3 colors right here reminds me of like a sailboat, so definitely something within summer vibes. You have your spring vibes up here. All kinds of projects that you can make with this. Deal number 6 is another heat transfer vinyl pack. Now this one is a 47 pack for $18.78. So if you kind of look around Amazon, you'll notice that there are different prices, different size packs. As you can tell, it does come with quite a few black and white sheets. I do use those a lot. However, I do use a lot of other colors as well. But for most projects, if you're looking to just add like words to a sign, usually you're using black or a white. And if you didn't know, you can use HTV for your wooden signs. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 7. Number 7 is for deep cutting blades. Now these are good for the Cricut Maker 3, the Air 2. Doesn't say anything about the 4 or the 5, so I would definitely read the guide before adding these to your machine. However, they are on Prime Day deal for $7.19. If your blades are getting dull, this is definitely the time to stock up, and it does come with that housing. That housing piece is right here, and then these are your blades. So all that you would do is push this little button down here. It will pop the blade out. It's pretty much magnetic. It does not screw in there, and all that you have to do is flip this blade over and you would insert it right there. So it's super easy to install on your Cricut machine. If you're looking to upgrade your blades, this is definitely the one to get. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 8. So here we have some Cricut cutting mats. This is a 6-pack, and it is a 12-inch by 12-inch cutting mat. You can also get 12-inch by 24 cutting mats, and it does look like these do come in a 30 count. That is absolutely crazy, but hey, I have actually purchased a lot of cutting mats just because I cut so much with my Cricut, and I'm always needing to cut different types of material like felt, fabric, things like that. So I always need a couple extra on hand. I actually might go ahead and add this to my cart now. Since it is on Prime Day deal for $15.99, that is such a good deal. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 9. This is a light pad. Now this one is on Prime Day deal for $47.99. That's actually a really good deal. Now this I do not have. It does come with a weeding tool, actually several different kinds of weeding tools and some tweezers, and this right here is where if you are weeding a huge project, you would put the extra tiny little pieces in there. This is great if you are weeding those intricate projects. As you can see on the screen, it does come with a rechargeable battery, and it also is cordless, so you can be weeding while you're watching TV or laying in the bed, things like that. If you want to bring your project with you, you also have that opportunity as well because it is cordless. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 10. I'm always wanting to bring my Cricut machine to my friend's house or over to my mom's house, and so I might actually add this one to my cart. This one is a carrying case for your Cricut. So if you are wanting to travel with your Cricut, this is the perfect opportunity to go ahead and pick up that travel bag. It is on Prime Day sale for $28.04. It does come in several different colors. I actually like that beige color right there, but the pink is definitely my favorite. It does look like it is universal as far as sizing. Let's move on to Prime Day deal number 11. So this one right here is a dust cover for the Cricut mug press. If you are into mug making, I love to add pictures of my boys to mugs. That way that I can send them off to the grandparents for Grandparents' Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, things like that. And so I highly recommend picking up the mug press. And if you do, definitely get that dust cover. You can store tools and your markers in the front, and it also has a little pouch in the back for your cord. Okay, it actually looks like I added this one twice, so I'm going to go ahead and take that one off. I do apologize about that. Let's look at this heat press here. So this one right here is by HTV Ront. They are an amazing brand. They have amazing vinyl. This heat press specifically is a 15-inch by 15-inch press, and it is on Prime Day deal for $188.80. It does come in 3 different colors, so you have that blue, and then you also have the white as well. I really want this one. I actually have a pink heat press in my craft room right now, so this one is on my list in case mine does end up going out. Alright, we have another Prime Day deal. This is the Cricut Easy Press Mini. I have featured this on my channel several times. I absolutely love how small and compact it is. It is on Prime Day sale for $29. This one you can make several tiny little projects if you're just doing a small little iron-on. It's perfect for that. Okay, moving on to the second to the last Prime Day deal. This is the Cricut Easy Press. It is a 9-inch by 9-inch heat press. I do have this one in my craft room as well. This one is color mint, and this one is taupe. I do have the blue one. It looks like maybe that one is not in stock anymore. However, this one is on Prime Day deal for $89. I love the Cricut Easy Press. It's lightweight, and you can also do t-shirts with it. So if you're not looking for like a super bulky machine, this one is definitely the one to use. I love how it comes with that protective mat. That way that you could put it down onto the surface or the table wherever you are working, but definitely make sure that you are monitoring your project. That way you're not burning your table or your surface. Last deal, it is the Cricut Mug Press. I'm so glad that I added this to my list. I completely forgot that I did. So if you are getting that dust cover, definitely pick up the Cricut mug press. This deal comes with 12 blank mugs. They are 12 ounces each. This is on Prime Day deal for $109. It was originally $159. So this one is a deep discount. This one is very compact, very lightweight. You could definitely put it on your little workspace wherever you are working. It is 15 inches by 13 inches by 11 inches. So go ahead, add this to your cart. If I have missed anything for Cricut, definitely let me know down in the comments below. If you are looking for something in particular, definitely let me know as well. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!